Hello everyone, this is an update from Perfect Storm Trading for June 10th, 2021. Today I want to discuss a little bit on the pH charts coming from our book and software that's included for NinjaTrader. The first thing I want to go over is these red arrows I've placed up here. The red arrows are a pattern that I found that works continuously each day. Some of the arrows are much more stronger than others. They have a much more higher tendency to really turn the market, make some great pivots to trade off of. First one here, this red arrow here, this is pretty consistent every morning, and today it just moved 3 points and then it can't come back against it, not much there. The second point here today moved about 9 points down over a period of about an hour, which was a pretty decent move off of this one. The third point, which is usually the strongest point of the day, this one moved about 22 points from that point down to here. And then the fourth point, which is right here, this is usually the second strongest point of the day, and so far it's moved down about 7 or 8 points, and we're still in the middle of this trade, seeing where it's going to continue. The other thing you see on the screen is these purple arrows. This is another technique that I found that works really well. Each day, like for this day, we have a purple chart. This is the purple day where it starts right here, and so I go to the end of each purple block coming into this, and I find that this is where we make these counter trends off of this and make some really good moves up. This one here come out really well. This one here, though this came back up to this level, it still dropped down here, and there was a pretty good little 10-12 point move down. This one here was about the only weak one I found in this one. This one didn't really pan out real well. It's in the middle of a cycle. The fourth one here, this one hit the high of the day on the exact minute right here, and we counter trend down about 30 points. At that point, we hit the next purple area, and we counter trended off of this area right here, and this popped up again 15-20 points depending on where you're exiting at. The next point came to right here. These happen once every hour, and they're pretty good little counter trends. If you watch your last few minutes, you counter trend off of this. This one was equal to our standard method 2 red arrow here, and it's down now right now at about 7 or 8 points, and we're still in the middle of this trade. So that'll be all for today. Tomorrow I'll come back and we may discuss this a little bit more in depth and see where some of these arrows come up later in the day, overnight trading and stuff like that. Thank you.